allergies are awful today. Oh no. So as you can see, making your own allergy pills is very easy. Just recycling a jar. I already have the label. I will be putting that I have clover and ginger in this, as well as the stinging nettle that the label says. But now I can just take my jar, throw it in my purse, and voila, I have my allergy pills when needed. So it's just that simple. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will talk with you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.